Good morning, dear hearts, even though maybe technically it isn't. Today's lesson is 71. Only God's plan for salvation will work. And I'm just going to switch that word salvation for a moment, that only God's plan for happiness, my happiness, will work. Because there's two plans that could go on here, and one is the plan of the ego. And the ego's plan for my salvation is to look around and to see what needs to change outside of myself in order for me to be happy. Well, we know that's never going to work. Okay, so the ego though says, well, try this, no, try that, try that. This will work for sure. But the ego's mantra is seek and do not find. So no matter how many times we try and we seek outside of ourselves, it will ultimately fail, because that is the ego's intention. That is the ego's plan. That is the ego's goal for us, to seek and not find. Because in doing that, the ego keeps us in control. And my happiness always stays just outside my reach, just a little bit farther away. And then I'm continually going to say, well, why can't that one person change? Why can't this situation change? But again, I'm looking outside of myself, and that is actually a plan for failure. Now we have only God's plan for salvation. My happiness will work. Why? Because it comes with a guarantee. Because in God and with God, all things are indeed possible. And God's plan for my salvation is for me to step back and to allow His plan to work. So in the longer practice periods today, we are to clear our mind, and there are these questions, these 3 questions, which apply from this point on to my life and to your life. If we ask these questions every single morning, every single moment when we are in any kind of turmoil, we will receive the answer, and that is guaranteed. We will receive the answer. Now the questions are to be still and say, where would you have me go? What would you have me do? What would you have me say, and to whom? These questions, by simply asking them, signify that we are willing. They signify that we're ready to receive. They signify that the plan, the answer, will be given. That's it. God's plan for my salvation, God's plan for my happiness will always work, and the ego's will never work. And that's it. That's the lesson in a very quick little nutshell. Okay, I hope this helped. I hope you write down these lessons, read the lesson, do the practice periods, and remember to ask yourself, to ask these questions. Where would you have me go? What would you have me do? What would you have me say? And to whom? Your whole life will change with this, I promise. Hope this helped. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Please share. Please subscribe. And I will see you here tomorrow. Namaste.